In this video, we have given that f1 by x plus f1 minus x is equal to x. Then we have to find fx. So we have f1 by x plus f1 minus x is equal to x. And if we replace x with 1 by x, then f of 1 by x will be x plus f of 1 minus, and x is 1 by x is equal to x is 1 by x, and it is fx plus f of x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. Suppose this is equation 1. And we have to find fx, but fx minus 1 by x is extra. So we have given that f of 1 by x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to x. And if we replace x with x by x minus 1, then f of 1 by x will be x minus 1 by x plus f of 1 minus, and x is x by x minus 1 is equal to x is x by x minus 1, and it is f of x minus 1 by x plus f of x minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 is equal to x by x minus 1, and it is f of x minus 1 by x plus f of, and x will get cancelled, and minus 1 by x minus 1 will be 1 by 1 minus x is equal to x by x minus 1. Suppose this is equation 2. And now f of 1 by 1 minus x is extra. So we have given f of 1 by x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to x. And if we replace x with 1 minus x, then f of 1 by x will be 1 by x is 1 minus x plus f of 1 minus x will be x is equal to x is 1 minus x. Suppose this is equation 3. So equation 1 is fx plus fx minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. We have fx plus fx minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. It is equation 1. And equation 2 is f of x minus 1 by x plus f of 1 by 1 minus x is equal to x by x minus 1. It is equation 2. And equation 3 is f of 1 by 1 minus x plus f of x is equal to 1 minus x. It is equation 3. And if we add equation 1 and equation 3 and subtract equation 2, Then equation 1 is fx plus f of x minus 1 by x plus equation 3 is f of 1 by 1 minus x plus f of x minus equation 2 will be f of x minus 1 by x minus f of 1 by 1 minus x is equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus x minus x by x minus 1. And f of x minus 1 by x will get cancelled, and f of 1 by 1 minus x will get cancelled. So fx plus fx will be 2 times fx is equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus x minus x by x minus 1, and it is 2fx is equal to x times x minus 1 will be LCM, and here we will get x minus 1 plus 1 minus x times x minus 1 minus x times x, and it is 2fx is equal to x minus 1 and plus 1 minus x is minus x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus x square by x times x minus 1, and 2fx is equal to x minus 1 minus, and x minus 1 whole square will be x square plus 1 minus 2x times x minus x square by x times x minus 1, and it is 2fx is equal to x minus 1 minus x square times x will be x cube minus 1 times x is x plus 2x square minus x square by x times x minus 1, and x will get cancelled. So 2fx is equal to minus 1 minus x cube and plus 2 x square minus x square will be plus x square by x times x minus 1. So fx will be equal to minus 1 minus x cube plus x square by 2 times x minus 1.